Good evening. In today's session, we will be discussing regarding NARCL. This is an abbreviation for National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. If you can remember that a few days back we have discussed regarding bad bank. At the time I made it very clear, bad bank is not bad, but a bad bank is meant for collecting the bad loans which are considered to be, the stressed assets of the banks. In the earlier class, I told you how exactly the banks function. Banks will give away the loans and that money has to come back to the bank along with the interest. But in certain cases, what is happening, where the large amounts are issued, especially the money is going out and the money is not coming back to the bank. Reasons may be multiple. Now it will become very difficult for the sustenance of that particular bank, and these are all called non-performing assets. So the higher the number of NPAs, that will lead to more stress or more pressure on the bank. That is the reason why in the latest budget that was presented by the Finance Minister of India, they announced for the establishment of a body called NARCL, that is nothing but a bad bank. So this bad bank is going to take over all these stressed assets. So this NARCL is going to support the banks, and the banks will hand over those stressed assets to this bad bank. Now, in the first go, it is planning to, look into 90,000 crores of stressed assets. So this is in the first phase, and we are discussing about that one because if you want to establish any bank in India, let it be any bank in India, permission has to be granted by the apex bank in the country, the topmost bank in the country, that is Reserve Bank of India, RBI. And on October 4th, 2021, RBI gave license. RBI gave license for the establishment of the NARCL. Right, regarding this, I have this information and I am going to share that information with you. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. RBI granted license to NARCL. This is RBI, This is NARCL, I told you, National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. And the license has been granted on October 10th, 2021. And how it has come? The approval has been accorded under Section 3 of SARFAESI Act of 2002. Just for your information, please look at this one. So this SARFAESI stands for Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act of 2002. So one of the possible questions in the examination is that when this SARFAESI Act has come into effect, please remember the year, that is 2002. So under this particular act, the permission has been, the license has been granted. So kindly remember each and every point. Anything may be a possible question in the examination. Now, if you look at further, the IBA, meaning the Indian Bank Association, has been entrusted with the task of setting up the bad bank. Just now I told you, last week also I have mentioned that what is bad bank. And those aspirants who did not watch the earlier video, kindly watch that earlier video for better understanding. That is the reason why following all the classes in sequence will give you an edge. and it has put a preliminary board for NARCL in place, meaning the decision has been taken by IBA, and the company hired PM Nair. Who is this? A stressed assets expert from SBI, and he is the managing director for this. And when it comes to other directors on the board, they are IBA CEO Mehta, State Bank of India Deputy Managing Director SS Nair, and Canara Bank's Chief General Manager Ajit Krishnan Nair. So I want you to remember the name here. This is very, very important, and is the managing director. Now, if you look at the finance minister in the latest budget, meaning that is 2021 and 22, the finance minister has mentioned about this. And this particular, this asset reconstruction company limited and asset management company would be set up to consolidate and take over the existing stressed debt. This is what was said by the finance minister during the presentation of the budget. Clear? And this will manage and dispose the assets to alternative investments, right? And last month, meaning in the month of September, this point we have already discussed in the earlier class, that in September 2021, the cabinet cleared the proposal to provide government guarantee worth of 30,600 crores to security receipts issued by NARCL. Clear? And it will pay up to 15% of the agreed value for the bad loans in cash, and the remaining 85% will be in the government guaranteed security deposits. These figures are important for the examination. Especially, kindly remember, whenever we come across with any statistical data, try to make a note of that. This is important for both preliminary examination as well as the main examination. And if you look at this the latest entity, here you got SBI, Union Bank of India, Indian Bank. They picked up 13.27% stake each in NARCL, meaning SBI, Union Bank of India, Indian Bank, each got a stake of how much? 13.27%. These are the points along with the statistical data that you must mention in your answers when you are writing the main examination. While PNB, Punjab National Bank, has acquired about 12%. Clear? And this is going to take over the identified bad loans. Clear? And this is going to pick up all the assets that are 100% provided for the lenders. And the bank identified around 22 bad loans worth of, look at this figure. Clear? 90,000 crores. Very, very, very important one. Kindly, these type of topics are very important, especially when there will be questions on such type of things in the main examination. Fine. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.